Welcome to Crimson Guitars, welcome to a reimagining of an old video. It was formerly streamed years ago, basically live, and we thought that since nobody actually wanted to watch it in that format, we would re-edit it and give me a little bit more time to create some fresh, new, fantastic content. I'm biased. You'll have to tell me if it's fantastic or not after the fact. Catch you on the flip side. That's not cool. It was never cool. Why did I say that? Burn it. Ah, yay!
Mark out the back cavities. Let's cut out some backplates. I've cut as close to the lines as I can. With these I'm going to be hand shaping the inside joint, then probably using a spindle sander to shape the outside to match the guitar body. Always check the depth stop. The last thing you want to do is ever drill through where you don't want to drill through. Extraction, most incredibly important. Taking the smallest cuts possible. It is at this stage that you could literally rip out half of the side of your guitar and that would be ever so slightly catastrophic. At this point I'm starting to feel the time get away with me a little bit. We're nearly 4 hours into a 9-hour build. And yeah. And there we have it. There we go. Well, there is no lateral movement if you've done the masking tape super glue trick properly, but it pulls off with horizontal force quite easily. So this body blank was not planed or put through the felder particularly. Well, it wasn't at all. In fact, it was raw as I bought it, but it had some tear out due to the fantastic figuring. Well, this carving is going to make the guitar more comfortable, but it is also to get rid of that tear out. With this carving technique, it takes less time to create a carved back guitar than it does to put it over a thicknesser or planer to get rid of that sort of defect. And it's back onto the Merker with a coarse 80 grit on it. And it fits my not inconsiderate belly rather well.
It's still warm. Alright.
4.5 hours.
Halfway through. A disc sander would have made this task a bit easier. But, well, I've had enough of the noise.
Okay, that's
for
fine.
now.
There we go. All right.
Screws.
I really don't think I can do this.
Oh, you can do it.
Okay, the panic is setting in earlier than it did when we did the 12-hour guitar build. With the 12-hour build, I was knackered by halfway through, but I still thought I could do it up until the last hour. 4 hours 50. It stayed glued. That's all good.
Once more under the fray, dear friends. And I'm using the oscillating spindle sander to very gingerly and gently take the sides of the backplates down. So the only routing to be done at this stage is the neck pocket. I've pre-drilled that. So the backplates are now fitting. This style of backplate is arguably easier to fit, at least. But now I need to sand it in, feather those edges around so it melts into the carve a little bit better. So anyway, using the Merker again as a sort of router, carving machine, round the edges over. cut the excess off the beautiful Kingwood fretboard. Slowly does it. This isn't a method that we've used, and I definitely wouldn't say do it this way yourself. I'm basically eyeballing a radius. So it looks like the dust is about to fly again. Let's see how long it takes to carve a neck with an angle grinder. So first of all, what I do is the same as when I was carving the carved top earlier. I go at a steep angle and carve almost down to the fretboard. And that means that I don't need to concentrate quite so hard moving on, because I know I've already carved next to the fretboard. I don't need to approach it too much. Then from this side I'm roughing out a lot of material. We did leave quite a lot on while cutting bandsawing the excess away. Throughout the process I keep on touching the neck, feel how it's feeling. Let's check with the calipers, see what thickness we're at. Basically baseball bat. I spend less time with the calipers than I do, just using my, the sense of touch. And it's on to the Merker. So that's now very roughly thicknessed. I end up at 15 millimeters on average. And a little bit more work on the neck carve there, I suppose. Let's call it 8 minutes.
Cammy?
Yeah. He's flagging. 5 hours, 20 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. It helps and makes me feel good about myself. Hit that notification button as well. And, well, come back for the next video when we make it live. Soon.